All right, fifth graders, I want to do the problem of the day to show you how to multiply fractions. We have been adding and subtracting fractions, and we know in order to add or subtract a fraction, the denominator must be the same. We know all the steps. Now we are multiplying fractions. One thing I love about multiplying fraction is that you do not have to have the denominator the same. Whatever the problem is, you just do it. So we have a whole number here. How do we multiply a whole number times a fraction? You must change the whole number into a fraction. How do you do that? You just draw the fraction bar and you write a 1 under it, and it does not change the value. This is still 2. So anytime you have a whole number and you want to multiply it times a fraction, make it a fraction by drawing the fraction bar, putting 1 under it. Now you are ready to solve. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. So you will have 4 over 3. The reason why I'm not writing it because something is going on, and every time I try to write, it goes to the next slide. So I want you to write it on your paper. 4/3. That is an improper fraction. So how do you change an improper fraction to a mixed number? By dividing. How many threes are in 4? There's one whole group, remainder 1. Keep your denominator as a 3. So your final answer will be 1. Let's see, can we try that? So you will have, it went a remainder of 1 and keep the 3. I'm not going to touch it again. It's going to mess up. So let's see which one of these will be 1 and 1/3. If I add these two, that's 4 in all and 2 shaded. So that's 2/4, which is a half. This is a half. 1/2 plus 1/2 will equal 1. No, it's not 1, and it does not equal that. Maybe let me ease that 3 under there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in all. How many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I reduce that, 2 can go into 4 2 times. Not going to bother with that. And 2 going to 6. How many times? I hope you know that's a 2. 2 going to 4 2 times. And this will be 2/3. So this is not that answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in all. She write 5. How many shaded? How many shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded. So that's not the answer. Go to the next one. 1, 2, 3. 3 total. 1 shaded plus. Here's the plus. 1, 3 in all. Oops, no, that's 2 shaded. Sorry. That's 2. Same again, 2 and 3. So I add 2. That's a 2. That's a 2, guys. 2 plus 2 is 4. Get it back. And then when we're adding fractions, remember, you got to keep the 3. So there it is. Should get it back again. Reduce it. 3 going to 4 one whole time. 1 remaining. 1 remaining. Keep your 3. So the answer would be which letter? Would be D. There we go. So remember, When you're multiplying fraction, if you have a whole number, you keep the whole number, write the fraction bar, put 1 under it. Go and multiply the numerator, multiply the denominator. You do not have to make them the same. And I keep working it out until I find the visual model that shows 2 times 2/3. I solved the problem, then I solved all of these, and I eliminated these, and I found the answer. So that's what we will be doing today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm excited. This is going to be fun. So let's get it started, and I'll see you in class and the next video.